Every morning, I wake up to the sound of my alarm clock buzzing at 6 o'clock sharp. The room is still dark, but I've gotten used to starting my day early. My name is Sarah, and I work in an office downtown. Some people think office jobs are boring, just sitting in front of a computer all day, but I've learned that it's not just about the work itself. It's about the people you meet, the little moments that make each day unique, and finding joy in the routine. After brushing my teeth and getting dressed in my usual outfit, a blouse, slacks, and comfortable shoes, I grab a cup of coffee and head out the door. The city is already alive by the time I step outside. Cars honk, buses rumble down the streets, and people rush past me with their headphones on. I take the subway to work, which gives me a few minutes to relax before the busy day begins. When I arrive at the office, I greet my coworkers with a smile. "Good morning," I say as I walk to my desk. It's a small space, but it's mine. There's a photo of my family on one side and a small plant that I water every Monday. Sitting down, I turn on my computer and check my emails. Most days, they're filled with meeting requests, project updates, and reminders about deadlines. But today, something unusual caught my eye. One email stood out from the rest. It was from Mr. Peterson, the manager of another department. "Urgent assistance needed," the subject line read. Curious, I opened it. He explained that his team was overwhelmed with a big project and needed someone to help organize files and data for an important presentation later that week. Normally, this wouldn't be part of my job, but I liked the idea of stepping outside my usual tasks. Plus, helping others always makes me feel good. I replied quickly, saying I'd be happy to assist. Within minutes, Mr. Peterson called me into his office. His desk was cluttered with papers and folders, and he looked stressed. "Thank you so much for agreeing to help, Sarah," he said. "This project could really use your organizational skills." I nodded confidently. "Don't worry, we'll get it done." For the next few hours, I worked alongside Mr. Peterson's team. They were friendly and welcoming, even though they seemed frazzled. Together, we sorted through piles of documents, entered numbers into spreadsheets, and double-checked everything for accuracy. At first, I felt a bit out of place since I didn't know everyone, but soon they started asking for my input. "How should we label these sections?" one person asked. Another chimed in, "Sarah, can you proofread this slide? You're great with words." Hearing their compliments made me realize how valuable teamwork can be. By lunchtime, we decided to order pizza and eat together in the conference room. As we sat around the table, laughing and chatting, I realized how much fun it was to collaborate with new people. One of the team members, Rachel, shared a funny story about her dog chewing up an important report last year. Everyone laughed, including me. These moments reminded me that work isn't just about completing tasks, it's also about building connections. After lunch, we dove back into the project. By late afternoon, things were finally coming together. The slides looked polished, the data was neatly organized, and everyone felt more relaxed. Mr. Peterson approached me with a grateful smile. You saved us today, Sarah. Thank you. I shrugged modestly. It was nothing. I'm glad I could help. As I packed up to leave the office later that evening, I reflected on the day. Helping Mr. Peterson's team had been challenging, but it was also rewarding. I'd learned new skills, met wonderful people, and contributed to something meaningful. It reminded me why I enjoy working in an office. Even if it's not always glamorous, there's always an opportunity to grow and make a difference. On the train ride home, I thought about how much I appreciate my job. Sure, there are stressful days when deadlines loom or technology fails. But then there are moments like today, when collaboration leads to success and kindness strengthens relationships. Those moments remind me that no matter how routine life may seem, there's beauty in the everyday. When I got home, I changed into comfy clothes and made myself dinner. As I ate, I scrolled through photos on my phone, stopping at one of my coworkers from earlier. Seeing their smiling faces brought back memories of the laughter and teamwork we'd shared. I sent Rachel a quick message, "Thanks for making today so fun." She replied almost instantly, "No, thank you for saving us." Later that night, as I lay in bed reading a book, I thought about what tomorrow might bring. Maybe it would be another ordinary day, or maybe it would hold surprises like today did. Either way, I knew I'd face it with the same determination and positivity. Being an office worker isn't just about filing papers or answering emails, it's about creating value, supporting others, and finding meaning in the details. The next morning, my alarm clock buzzed again at 6. This time, I woke up with a renewed sense of purpose. Every day is a chance to learn, connect, and contribute. And whether I'm organizing files, helping a coworker, or simply sharing a laugh over lunch, I know I'm exactly where I'm meant to be. Office life may have its ups and downs, but it's the people and the moments that truly matter. With that thought in mind, I got ready for another day, looking forward to whatever it might hold.